the one and only Alexander J. Walker here for a little challenge. So, today, we're dealing with immense snow. And every challenge as it is already hard. And I wanted to make it that much harder. So, I keep seeing people do this Bring Sally Up challenge. And I've known about it since I was a young kid. What you have to do, the rules are, is complete the full song. When it says up, you go up. When it says down, you go down. It's about 3 minutes long. And you cannot touch it to your chest. You have to sit it right above your chest. I'm doing an incline. Got the barbell set up. But we're going to get into this. So, 15-degree weather, snowfall. When's he going to do the little challenge? I'm going to do it now. What better time to do it than now? Here we go. Timer's right here. We're going to kick start this and we're going to get into it.
Bring Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep.
Come on.
Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground.
Follow along.
Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy
Come on.
dead and gone,
Take this
left
one.
me here to weep.
Come on.
Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the
Watch that.
ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy,
Don't touch it in your chest. Not allowed. Not
left
allowed.
me here to weep and moan. Bring Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start
Forward now.
Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan.
Everybody wants to act like this is a joke, like I make up what I do. You guys are fools, absolute jackasses. If you want to do work, do it yourself. Quick little follow along video, little challenge. Love it. Love the weather today. If I get around to it, I'm going to do a 6-mile jog too. So this is going to be fun. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Subscribe to the podcast. Thanks for following along. Bring Sally up, baby.